Who is ready for another Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays, guys? This one is week 23, and we are only 3 weeks away from the halfway point of a year. That is just crazy to me, man. I cannot believe we've been opening so many boxes, but I'm happy you guys have been watching along every single Friday. Now, for some reason, if you guys didn't catch last week's episode, I think it was like a $2,300 box or something. That video, I made you guys a promise that if we got that video to 5,000 likes, then at the 26-week mark, I will be buying the most expensive beater box I have ever bought for $5,000. So if you guys did not like that video, don't forget to check that one out. Hit that like button, get us to 5,000 likes, and I will definitely be buying that 5K box. It freaks me out, man. The last time we got an expensive box was from a company for $4,000, and it was one of the worst boxes I ever opened. So you guys can see my hesitation with that, but I gotta do what I gotta do. It's the halfway point. We gotta go big, right? So 5,000 likes on that video. Don't forget to do that. Anyway, the box that we do have here is $1,325 from Sole Supremacy, and we'll be opening this up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Sneaker Mystery Box Friday episode for you guys. 1325 from Sole Supremacy. OG Beater Box Kings, man. You guys know what it is. We're gonna get into it real quick. But last thing that I do want to mention before I open it, man. I know, a lot of announcements, but you guys don't want to miss this one because we are doing a giveaway as well. The Untied Dream Sneaker Giveaway Part 2, up to $1,000. Any shoe you guys want. It's live. It's happening right now. And if you guys didn't enter, you guys can actually go to that video that I was talking about, last week's video, and enter over there. If you guys enter on this video, it will not count. Do not comment on this video asking that you guys want to enter the giveaway. It will not count. I said that twice, so you guys remember that, because I know there's going to be somebody entering on this video just to troll now, saying that they're going to enter on here. But don't do that, man. Don't be that guy. You're better than that. Don't do that. Anyway, all you have to do is go to that video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and then on that video, 3 times now, don't forget to comment saying what your dream shoe is, your sneaker size. Don't forget to do that. I think there's like another week left, so you guys still have time to enter. Anyway, enough talk, man. Let's open up this box. 1325. Okay, so first things, oh, this is a dirty shoe. Dang. This is not clean at all. This one is a size 13 and it is a Jordan 10, but bruh, this is freaking dirty, man. Look at this. I'll put it under the camera so you guys can see how disgusting this sneaker is. And it has a huge stain on the toe box. I'm not sure what that is, so I'm not touching that. Bottom's dirty. A lot of sock linen here, heavily used, creases all over, no box. This is a filler shoe, my friends. This is not super hype, but if you guys need this for like super cheap, it will be going very, very cheap on UntitledHawaii.com. So you guys can find it there. It needs some work though, it needs some work. And this sneaker doesn't have a lid, it looks like, but it is a Jordan 1 in a size 10.5. And this one is actually a pair of the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. Now it does look like it has been used. You guys can check it out over here. Still has this thing on, which is always confusing. If it was used, why would somebody keep this on their shoe? Beats me, man. You guys can see bottom's lightly worn. Very light creasing on the toe box, but other than that, nothing too crazy on this one. So this should be a decent boost to the counter. Now this one is a Jordan 1 box, interesting, in a size 6.5 women. So I think that's like a 5 men, something like that. And we have a pair. Oh, interesting. Okay. I can't remember what this series is called, but I know this was like a women's exclusive thing where they had a bunch of different colorways that dropped. I'll put it over here so you guys can see it better, but it actually is pretty premium, it feels like. So you guys can see the plastic Air Jordan up here, no Jumpman on the back, clear soles, and just a good mix of suede and satin, it seems like. Is this satin? Something like that. This is a good sneaker. All right, next box out is a Jordan 3 box in the size 9.5. And for this one, we have a pair of the Mocha 3s. And you guys can check this out, Mocha 3s. This was actually a classic Jordan colorway, and people were waiting for this one to retro for a long time because the original pairs were going for so much money. But now they're not going for too much at all. You guys saw that shoe right there. Not too much markings. It's pretty clean, but resale, it leaves a lot to be desired. I think it's still a fire pair of 3s, and it's definitely like a nice, clean look. So if you guys are looking for that one, cop it now. This one will probably move pretty quick. All right, I'm gonna dive into an Adidas box over here. This one is a size 8 dimension low. I have no idea what a dimension low is, but I guess this is a dimension low. Ooh, boy. Okay, you guys can see over here, it's a dimension low. I don't know what this is. This looks like something you would see like on the sales rack of a Foot Locker or bargain bin of an outlet store, so I'm not certain what this is going for. Maybe $20 or something like that. Okay, and another size 8 Adidas box. This one is a 98 Crazy BYW. Another outlet looking shoe, man. Like, I don't know, you guys can see over here, this is what I mean. It's just a very plain sneaker, and it does have Boost technology, I guess, back here. It is not something that's super hyped, and in terms of resale, that means it's gonna suffer. So it does look like it's dead stock, has that tag on here. Couple Jordan 1s in here. This one is a size 8, and it is another pair of Hyper Royal, so no need to show you guys under the camera what this one looks like. This is the same shoe that we saw earlier, but this one is in a better size 8. However, because it's not super hyped, that kind of hits the resale, so it's not going to go for too much money, but definitely a lot more than a 10.5. Please tell me this is not another Hyper Royal. Okay, good, it's not. This is a size 9.5, Jordan 1, obviously. But for this one, ooh, nice. We have a pair of the top 3 Jordan 1s. Okay, this is a lot better than a Hyper Royal, so you guys can check it out over here. 9.5 Jordan 1 top 3, the Jordan 1 Bred, the Jordan 1 Royal, and also the Chicago as well. Overall, just a really nice sneaker right here, man. It gives you a kind of like what the look, and you guys can see those bottoms are pretty darn clean. So this will be going for a great amount of money. Definitely one of the money sneakers of the box, and it will move very, very fast. These ones like fly off in this size, man. Size 9.5, that's money. This one is an NMD CS2 PK size 8, and I guess this was another like outlet kind of shoe because this one is also has the tag on it. So this is DS. I don't think that this was going for any kind of crazy like amounts of resale. It does look like a collab with Naked, so maybe it has some value. I haven't been keeping up with my NMDs anymore, but this one looks, it's all right. So the City Sock 2 was never as good as the regular like NMD 1, so I don't know. I don't feel any kind of ways about these, but if you guys are looking for this, I'm sure it will be going for the low. And the last sneaker in this box is a Jordan 1, and this one is in a size 9.5 as well. Ooh, oh my gosh, please. Is this the 2015 or the 2013? This is the 2015, I believe. Wow, a back-to-back? That's insane. Okay, so we got another pair of Chicagos. This one is in a size 9.5, and we recently just got another pair of Chicagos in a recent beater box. Now, these go for a crazy amount of money, man. Check this thing out. Just a clean design. Part of that top 3 Jordan 1 like we were just mentioning. And you guys check those bottoms. Those things are clean. Very minimal star loss there. Very minimal heel drag. Such a good pickup. Dang, we've been getting so lucky with these things, man. Because this and the top 3 itself pretty much covers the entire like cost of the box, man. Like, this is just insane. So very nice cops right there. Super stoked on this box. A lot of Jordan 1s, a lot of like dead stock, even though they're not like crazy heat. I'm not hating on those shoes, I'm just saying that there's not much value there. So it's great for a lot of people, just in terms of hype. Probably not great for resale. Anyway, overall box was great once again, and we need to keep it rolling till at least that $5,000 box. Hopefully we get enough likes so I end up copying that for you guys, but if we don't, I'm sure I'll come up with something like pretty big as well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to check out any of these shoes, check out UntiedHawaii.com. They will all be up for sale on there. If it's not up like right after this video release, give me like a couple hours. Usually I upload a little bit later in the day. And again, I want to mention that if you guys did not enter that giveaway, there is still time to enter, and I really, really hope you guys do, because my whole thing with the Untied Dream Shoe giveaway is I want to have people's sneaker dreams come true. And I talked about this in the previous episode, that people like kind of scoff at like, what is a sneaker dream? Nobody dreams of like having nice shoes. But the thing is, the people that say that have never come from a place of like low income families, you know, like they don't understand like maybe you're only rocking outlet shoes because that's all your family can afford. And that's why I'm saying I don't throw any hate at outlet sneakers. I'm just saying that in terms of resale, it's not really there. But I know that a lot of people want to wear those hype Jordan 1 Chicagos, or I know people want to wear a nice pair of Yeezys. So that's why I created this dream shoe giveaway, and that's why I'm trying to do it on a monthly basis. So if you guys mess with that vision and you guys want your own dreams to come true, then I hope you guys enter. Again, do not comment on this video. If anybody comments on this video, I'm going to freak out. Don't do it, guys. Comment on that 2350 box. I'll put it in the description as well, and also I guess in the comments, so you guys know to go over there. Don't comment on this one. It will not count towards your entry. It's all love, man. I just want to give back as much as I can. So thank you guys for rocking with the vision of the Untied Hawaii Ohana. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!